So I'm getting ready to fire the old 4230 up. It's been sitting out here for, hell Jesus, since late fall. I gotta start putting shit away, but I can't because I got the barn full of hay. So I gotta move some hay around before doing that. Check the old oil on her. Good to go. Let's see. That's about it. I gotta put the tedder away. I usually take it to another farm, but that's shit. That's like 5 or 6 miles up the road. I gotta go get some sawdust later on too. The old Ford. Let's see what she's gonna do here. Give her a little juice. Turn the key and she should fire up. There you go, John Deere fans. It popped right off. Purred like a kitten. And I got the 5105 in my little fire up. I know that was shit. That will start, no problem. I know that well. 4 down start, no problem. This one here's been sitting here all friggin' late fall too. This puppy, this one didn't. I really don't care for this tractor. I thought about trading it in for something different. I want to get a 4440. Said I knew this one would start. Here's why they're not in the barn. Because I got it full of hay. Somebody didn't shut the lights off. I guess it might fit in here now. I don't know. I have to move some bills around here. But this is why they are not in the barn. Yeah. I got some corn in here, ground up, and I got a little bit left in that wagon to grind. So yeah, that's why they're sitting out there, not in here. But I'll eventually get it down so I can get them in there. Thanks for watching.